Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Apologies for the audio once again. By Monday, we will be able to do the video as our camera is still not ready. Yesterday, US markets fell for fifth straight day. While we went up for sixth straight day, US markets came down for fifth straight day. But however, today morning, US futures are slightly positive. But despite that, the GIF Nifty is indicating about 20 point lower. Now, first let us look at some good things. Number one, the India VIX has come down, and India VIX has come down uh, two times in the last 3 days. I think all the 3 days the India VIX was down, but 2 days it has fallen drastically. So as the VIX keeps going down, the probability of market going down is very, very low. So that is number one. And number two, after a long time, FIIs were net buyers yesterday. Yesterday, both FIIs and DIIs were net buyers. And, this is happening after a long time. Although Monday FIIs were net buyers, but for the kind of news flow, that is the GST reduction news, that buying was not very big. It was just 550 crore. On top of it, there was some buying in a particular stock for about 1,500 crore by one interested FII. So therefore, if you remove that, actually Monday FIIs were net sellers for about 1,000 crores. But yesterday, there was no news flow, but still FIIs were net buyers. The funny thing, when FIIs were sellers on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the Monday auto and consumer durable stocks went up. Tuesday, Reliance and Bharti Airtel went up. Wednesday, IT stocks went up. And yesterday morning, the banking stocks went up. The bank Nifty was higher at some point of time by about 250 point. But end of the day, so everything is wiped out. And then bank Nifty ended almost flat. And another good thing is that for the second day, Nifty closed above 25,000. So that means, the market is refusing to come down. So by looking at all these things, in all possibility, in all probability, the market should continue to rise further from here. Moreover, today there is no expiry related issues. The first 45 minutes is very, very important. And there is a possibility that today market can be trending on the higher side. So although GIF Nifty is indicating about 20 point lower opening. So keep watching for yesterday's high. So if that is taken out, so there's a possibility market can go towards 25,200. So that is like, it may not be today, but at least in next 2 to 3 days. So this week, there are only 4 trading sessions because one day is a public holiday. So in this 4 trading session, if Nifty goes 25,200 to 25,300, so that will be a real win for the bulls. This month, though it's a 4-week month with the 2 public holidays, there were only 18 trading sessions. Market had its volatility. So Nifty hit a low of 24,335. So that was the swing low in the last 2 months. So since May 12, the Nifty has never closed below 24,500. So in this month, one time it went and closed below that. And not only closed below that, it was significantly below that, more than 100 point below that. And then now recovered almost equally. Of course, this recovery has come mainly because of the GST reject news. The momentum is likely to continue. So if everything goes well, we should see some recovery in banking stocks. The banking stocks are not doing well. Yesterday, there was some news related to stock market, some long-term derivative on this and that. So because of that, like BSE share, Angel One share, they all fell 7-8%. So I think that is a overreaction. So probably, so that panic only, triggered other people to book the profits in large caps. So 6 continuous days we moved higher. So although a few days before 6 continuous weeks we were lower, that's a different story. 6 continuous days we were higher. So markets are likely to consolidate. Usually I say if markets were volatile for the first 3 weeks, the fourth week of the expiry will be even more volatile. So it's not going to be a linear move, but I'm taking a slightly bullish view. And as per some technicals which I follow, if Nifty closes above 25,105, then technically Nifty becomes long for a medium term perspective. So if that happens, we can expect in next 1 to 2 months, can expect Nifty to scale to 26,000. So otherwise today is Friday, so there's no need to look at open interest, this and that. One monthly options, 25,000 put option added in huge quantities yesterday. So 25,000 put also has a high open interest. 25,500 also having the high open interest. So somehow I feel that this week it's going to be between like 25 24 to 800 to 25 500 may be a good range. So we will be able to forecast better by the end of today after seeing the open interest built up today. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.